Damn, I'm like a ninja. Oh my god, that fish jumped so high, shook the lure, and I put my palm out and just smacked the lure on my palm instead of hitting me in the face. It's so pretty. Whoa! That's a smallmouth! Jesus Christ, it's a big one if it is. Oh yeah, that is what I'm talking about. Look at that, that is a proper brown fish. That is what I like to call a brown bass. Good morning. So I am back on the Savannah River in Georgia, where I had that big largemouth. The day I had the big largemouth, my GoPro decided to do a poopy, and after I had the largemouth, I come up here to this giant weir kind of dam thing, and there's smallmouth in here, and I caught a load of smallmouth. I wanted to get it on camera, so I've come back now well, it's about a week later, and hopefully gonna catch some smallmouth for you guys. It's about, I don't know, 6 o'clock in the morning, something like that. Sun's just coming up over there somewhere, and yeah, I'm gonna get fishing. I got a little kind of weedless shad on this rod, kind of lighter rod. I've got a whopper plopper on one of them other rods, and then a big sort of 5-inch weedless shad on the other one. And the plan is to paddle up here to the kind of rocks and the fast moving water, and fish behind the rocks in the kind of, and on the current edges, maybe in the current. Well, in fact, last time I had success in the current, but there's a little juicy inlet thing to my left, which looks kind of cool, so I'm just gonna have a few casts here. As it's so early, I might just throw around the whopper plopper, because these fish do like a surface lure in the morning. So when they're most aggressive, I just threw it out. I was kind of trolling it at the back. I don't know, just while I was paddling up here, just in case something grabbed it. But I don't know if a smallmouth will hit this. But I'm sure they would. They're super aggressive. There's a few real big gar in here, so I know they'll hit it too, but I'm not too sure if they'll stay hooked, because they got our weird mouthy teeth kind of nose area. They're real hard to get hooks in. Oh yeah, I know smallmouth, they really like topwater walking bait, so they should hit a whopper plopper. At least up north they'll hit walking baits all day long. This is the weird thing, I'm in Georgia, so I'm down south. It's weird, this river's real cold because it comes out of a few lakes, so it keeps the water temperature real low, so they can smallmouth can actually live in it, because they don't like warm water at all. I reckon the smallmouth would live quite happily in the UK. The water temperatures there obviously a lot lower. I just heard something on the surface. I don't see a splash, but I heard him. I don't know what's going on. I'm getting beat up. No bites. Like, I'm fishing a spinnerbait on the rubber fluorocarbon on now. That was what I was having all the fish on last time I was here. But the only difference is it's cloudy, but I would have thought that would have made the fish more likely to bite, not less. But it is beautiful. That dam is so cool. I'm gonna keep struggling on. Let's do some whitewater rafting to get over here. Maybe there's a real big kind of current rip over there, so I'm gonna try that. All I know is you want to keep the kayak pointed into the current. Well, at least it's been working for me. But I spent my whole life on water, so I should be alright. Ah! Ah, fucked it already! Don't mind. Ignore everything I just said. Man, you see the size of these rocks down here. Get caught on one of them sideways, it'll be a bad day. It all looks so good. Like, I think, no, I'm going over there. I didn't make it to this side last time I was here. I was fishing the other side, so I guess make my way over there. I can't believe there's no fish here, but 100% know there is fish in that area. So I'll just kind of make my way over there and see if what I'm doing is completely wrong, and see if I need to, don't know, switch it up to something else. Hey, I'm fucking hooked. I'm only hooked one. Oh, I don't think that's a smallmouth. I think that's one of them Tallapoosa bass. One of the red-eye bass species. See the cool bars on him? The red-eye. Finally hooked something, and he's got kind of a smallmouth. Whoa! He quick released himself. That fish was right in the current. Well, in this medium current. I'm trying to keep myself away from that big bit. What is going on? Am I doing a reverse entry down this current? Not really sure. Ah, forward! Ah. I'd stay here somewhere. These little Berkeley shads, I want to say, no, they're not a pole shad. I can't remember. I don't know what they're called. Oh, I think that was the bottom, but he tricked me for a minute. I thought it was a good bite. Yeah, they're kind of like the Berkeley rip-off of the mega bass. I know, a weedless shad. Wow, I say that as it's got weed all over it. Just a fluorocarbon weed guard, real stiff one. But this is like a maybe 2-inch lure, maybe 2.5. It's 7 grams, so you can get a good cast on it, and they skip really well as well. Ah! That's a smallie, the old brown bass. Oh, ah! Ah! Soaking me, stop it! Stop it! It's so cold. Yeah, yeah. Look, you can see how small his mouth is. He's he's gone. How fun! Right. Well, that was the smallest smallmouth ever. But now I've had one on video. Damn, they made me giggle. Right, let's see if we can't catch a kind of bigger smallmouth. But he hit the lure right at the boat, like just under the surface. Ah, it was good fun. Scary! I guess I'm stuck in a rip current. Oh fuck. Oh, this is dodgy. Ooh, I did a bit of twitchy bumhole then. Ah. Damn! That gave me a little bit of a moment. Right, are the fish just waking up, or am I just kind of finding areas where there are some fish now? Oh, it smells. All of a sudden it smells real fishy. Well, it stinks. It's a bigger fish. Damn. So strong. Whoa. That's smallmouth. Jesus Christ, it's a big one if it is. Oh yeah, that is what I'm talking about. Jumped out of the water about 4 foot. Woo! Oh yeah, yeah, buddy. Don't mind my relaxed pose. Ah, ah. Give me a mouth. Oh, Jesus, he's biting me. Oh yeah. Ooh. Somebody's had a go at him, but look at that! There's that lure. That Berkeley weedless shad, just right in the corner of the mouth. He's so long, this fish. I weren't losing him. Come on, just pop out, please. What a beautiful fish. Just measuring him quick. With a 15-inch smallmouth. Don't know what that means. I suppose 15 inches. That's what. Ready for the old underwater release. Under the legs, underwater release. He's shut off. Like this much. Make my way over to that bit where I had that nicer smallmouth. It's kind of flowy, but not as flowy. Crashed. I'm crashing. I've uncrashed. Oh yeah, look, there's a rock there. Oh, there's one there. Going. Bumper boats. It's getting warm. What the hell? What the? No. I like that lure. Damn it. Well, I just cast a spinnerbait. I know what to do. Cut that off, put it there. Fresh Megabass Dark Sleeper. Zoom myself. Oh, and I'm stuck on the bottom. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Yeah. I caught my line. Hey, got my lure back. That's weed. Oh no, turned into a fish. Fish grabbed the lure off the weed. release. So you really got to set the hook. Well, I guess we're kind of working them out a little bit. They want this not so quick water today. Last time they wanted a real quick water. I should have set the hook. He hit it and I was just waiting for him a little bit too long there. I'm on the bottom. What? Why? How? Excuse me? Excuse me? Okay, let's go. Mega bass rescuing. With us. Just been lazy and pulling myself over. It's good for the fluorocarbon. Give it a good old stretch. Make sure there's no curls in there. Way! That was sick. Oh, has he come off? Oh no. Come on, get him up. There's a rock there. I'll get him over. Yeah! I think it's a shoal bass. I don't think it's a smallmouth. Oh, he's belly hooked. Hey! Is that a shoal bass or a... This might be a spotted bass. Oh no, no, a spotted bass I think has a rough tongue. Pop out then. Biggest bait, smallest fish. It's typical. Oh, that was fun. Gotta love a topwater. There's a turtle. Oh yeah, this is tiny. Ah. I guess there's another shoal bass. Don't go round the tree, not into it. Oh, is it a smallie? Oh yeah, brown bass, smallmouth like the Whopper Plopper 2. Don't. Woo, that was close. Right, stop being an asshole. Well, I'm probably the asshole because I hooked you. But let me unhook you. I don't want you to damage yourself. And I don't want you to damage me. This fish is determined to stick me with some hooks. Ow! Ow, he stuck me with his spine. Just sharp little fella, that was. Where's the one that stuck in me? That one. What the hell? How'd you... There's a dorsal fin in there somewhere. How'd you get it up? Yeah, anyway. I think, yeah, it is a smallmouth. Quick release. Long range. I'm cranking him. Get that hook in there. Oh, it's stuck on some weeds or something. Yeah. It's so speedy, swimming at me. Oh yeah, nice one. That smallie again, nice smallie. That same fish. Got another scar on it. No. It's a bit smaller and fatter. Yes, buddy. The brown bass. He's... Yeah. Yeah. You don't want me to hold him and show him off. There we go. No messing around. He went straight back. Right, that fish hit as far as I could cast that way. About there. Ah, there's another bite. I was too slow at that one there. I really like this area. Weed. Yeah. Ah, that's a clue. Some weed I haven't seen before. Maybe they're signing that. Meow. Ah, I missed him again. I have to send the whopper plopper over, I think. Just trying to fish as quick as I can, rod tip up as high as I can to keep it off the bottom. Oh, I lost an eye. Yes! 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 Feels massive, but it's probably not that big. Oh, it's that current. And then they swim straight at you. Really, it's deceiving. Is it a shoal bass again? Some kind of bass? Got a much bigger mouth than a smallmouth. Oh, cool. He's got the crayfish in his mouth. He's got all sorts in his mouth. Well, I don't want to steal your meal, bud, but I want to see what it is. What the hell are they? I thought it was a crayfish, but it looks like some kind of flea. Oh no, it's a tiny crayfish. What's this other thing? Some kind of shad. Sorry, bud. Here, you have that back. Yeah, he didn't even spit it out. I felt a bit guilty. I was stealing his meal. Oh, I see that weed. Am I going to drift over it? Come on, current. Yeah. But... Whoa, that's a smallmouth. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Maybe not. I don't know. It's a bass of a sort. Oh, damn. It's so strong. Ooh, he's got something funky on his going on with his head. Nice fish. He's got some weird kind of scars on his head. He's probably 2.5, maybe. cool. Straight off down there. Let her rip. Whoa! Oh, this is so fun! What? He's pulling. Oh, now he's swimming up here. It's another shoal bass. I think they're shoal bass because largemouth have black eyes. And if I was a largemouth, you'd have much bigger mouth. But it's like a fisher cast almost. This is great fun. Freaking mental fish. Another long rangey. Crap, I'm gonna crash. Stop soaking me! Damn it! Yeah, he's got a really bloody tail. I think all the fish are done spawning. Like, the hook's out. Give me that little bit. Yeah, look, he's got a real bloody tail. Probably soaked the camera. No, no, you're good. I'm not, I'm soaked. Oh, I just saw something on the surface over there. Oh, it's probably a turtle. Smallie. Wow. Jesus Christ, these fish are so powerful. That's a nice one, that is. Look at him dig. Oh, he's spitting up shads. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. That is a proper brown fish. That is what I like to call a brown bass. Damn. That dark sleeper just in the corner of his mouth. Pop him out. Just because we can, give him a quick measure. 2 at 15 inches now. Oh, so pretty that fish. Oh my god. Is this a bass? Yep. Have a nice fish. 15 and a half. I don't know. The only reason I'm measuring these fish is because I've got a measure board. I've seen that guy fishing the whole time. Still haven't seen him catch a fish. Oh wow. Saying that as I just get railed. another nice one. Whoa. Gotta be real careful when unhooking these fish because they're so strong. Getting one of them hooks in you is a real possibility. How the hell am I supposed to unhook you? There we go. Nice. Wounds again. Put him in and he jumped back out. God, I've already fished it all out, man. Wow, it's one of them pretty shoal bass. Oh, is it a smallmouth? I can never tell. No, it's a shoal bass. A red eye, sorry. Taluga bass maybe, or one of them. So plump. Look at them spots underneath. Look, they're like head cases. Oh. He's got me hung in some stuff. He's still on there. Canoe rescue, maybe. Try not to fall over, trying to get back to it. Let's go. I wonder if it's still on. As long as you keep tension. Oh, stuck. Oh, come on. This is not the time. Oh, and I've lost tension. Oh, it's still on. Come on. Fuck. Get up. There we go. Well, he's in here somewhere. This is some strong weeds. I see a fin. No, I don't. Oh my god. Come on, spin round though. There you are. Look at that. Woohoo. Got my little back. Lovely fish. Yeah. Damn. Whoa. That's a largemouth. It's a largemouth. Oh, crashing into my foot. No, it's a red eye bass, a shoal bass. All these fish have been, no? All these fish have been attacked by them, I guess them wading birds, pecking at them. So everything eat everything world. We go for signature under the leg release again. Well, I've had a pretty damn amazing morning fishing, so I guess it's going to be it for the video. I'm gonna go off, get off the water and get some food, but I might make it back out. Don't know if it'll be here or somewhere else after some food, but yeah, anyway, peace, wish me luck. I'll bring the camera if I do, and hope you really enjoy this video. See you in the next one.